Hello, my name is Matthew Dwork. Today we're going to be talking about reporting on the events impacting the supply and demand of oil. So the Oil Board has considered a proposal to increase the oil stores to better prepare for events that impact the market price of oil. They've asked me, a member of the cost department, to determine activities that affect the price of oil. They've requested a report explaining the various effects of these events on equilibrium price and quantity. The events being reported on this presentation are a drilling regulation enacted, an increase in population, a recession, and the increase in availability of alternative energy sources. This presentation will include a supply curve for each event along with a description of the event and explanation of the supply curves. Scenario 1. Drilling regulations are passed. Drilling regulations are determinant of supply because they directly impact the production cost. If your equilibrium price increases, your equilibrium quantity will decrease. This is not a favorable scenario. Scenario 2, an increase in population. An increase in population will increase the quantity demand, moving the curve to the right. When the curve moves to the right, the equilibrium price increases. The quantity demand will also be increased. This is a favorable scenario for oil. Scenario 3, a recession. A recession will affect the quantity demand, shifting the curve to the left. When the curve shifts to the left, the equilibrium price and quantity demand will decrease. This is not a favorable scenario. Scenario 4, an increase in availability of alternative energy sources. An increase in availability of alternative energy sources will negatively affect the quantity demand, shifting the curve to the left. When the curve shifts to the left, the equilibrium price will decrease. Quantity demand will also decrease. This is not a favorable scenario. To summarize, the previous scenarios show that new drilling regulations, a recession, and an increase in the availability of alternative energy sources all present a negative impact on the supply and demand of oil, which increase the risk for the firm. The increase in population scenario is the only scenario that provides favorable results for supply and demand. Thank you. Have a great day.